Hey, it's John from johnlaguardia.com bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And today we're going to open this box, which is from Patagonia. Let's go. So, nice. This is the SnowDrifter 30-liter backpack. And this particular pack is something that I purchased on my own because I needed a new ski backpack. Something that could take me into the backcountry for a full day, or something that I could use at the resort to carry a camera in, along with snow tools and things like that. So this has a couple dedicated pockets, one for snow tools, and I believe that's this front pocket here. Yep. So that's a dedicated snow tool pocket. There's also another little pocket in there for keys, wallet, what have you. There is a top pocket as well. And then another pocket here on the main body of the pack. The main body of the pack actually has a back zipper piece as well. Looks like it has real nice shoulder straps, and I love this feature, which is access quick to phone and snacks around your waist belt. These zippers are great. Everything about this backpack looks wonderful. You can carry a snowboard here. You can also carry skis on the side in an A-frame format. You could carry skis here too, just in a diagonal format. But that's a quick look at the Patagonia SnowDrifter 30-liter pack. I'll be doing a full review on this pack coming up. And so make sure you look at the end of this video for that end card that will link directly to the full review. I'll add that to this video once it's posted. And make sure you check down in the description below. I'll have a link to this product so you can check it out in the meantime while I'm creating this video this winter. And yeah, thanks for joining me. If I brought you some value and just checking this backpack out as a first look, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, welcome to the channel. Please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.